Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my beautiful and handsome people. How you guys doing? I just create this video just to say thank you. I just watch it, from my scratch from day one. I create those videos, and I remember when I had 30 subscribers. I was so happy because all my videos is just my way to evolve and within myself. And today I have 195 subscribers. Always be happy of whatever you have, so God always open doors for more. I'm happy, I'm beyond grateful, so I just want to say thank you for all my subscribers. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Yeah, bye.